As a creator, have you been wondering why your watch hours, or popularly known as watch time, are stuck despite you getting views on your videos? Perhaps you check at your watch time after 2 or 3 days, it's still on the same figure and it's not increasing, but sometimes it's even reducing. So there could be some reasons that are making this possible and you don't even know about them. So I'm going to reveal to you in this video why this could be happening on your watch hours. But before I even go into that, if you love more contents like this and you're serious about growing your YouTube channel the right way, please be part of this community by smashing that subscribe button so that any other time I drop a video, you never miss any update. So let me take you straight into it. You've been wondering why your watch time is stuck and not increasing despite you getting views on your videos. Now, let me show you why this could be happening to your watch hours. Now, let's go to our YouTube studio and show you how you read your watch hours. So tap on your YouTube studio there. You can as well go to your YouTube studio dashboard, the web version or the app version. So let's just check it on the app version. So there are two areas, pay attention. There are two areas where you can check your watch time. So there's the watch time under the earn tab here, and most people know only about this one. Let me show you. Tap on earn. Then these are the watch hours under the earn tab. Can you read it? Valid public watch hours. So these are the only verified public watch hours, but your watch hours could even be more than this, because YouTube usually takes some times before it verifies all your watch hours and before it updates them under your earn tab. So you could be having probably more than these watch hours, and I'll show you how to check on that and why your watch hours could also be stuck. Sometimes you might find that these watch hours are stuck on 15, 70 for even 4, 5 or 6 days, and you would be wondering why your watch hours are stuck and not updating despite you getting views on your videos. So this could be happening because of, the first reason is YouTube usually takes some times before it processes all the watch hours and verifies them and updates them. So it usually takes some delay sometimes, and you even don't have to worry if you see there is some delay. You can just worry perhaps because there could be other reasons, but the major reason for the delay is YouTube verifying your watch hours, because all your watch hours accumulated constitute of both public and private watch hours. Some watch hours even come from those who repeat watching, and YouTube has to verify that. Some watch hours even come from bot accounts, those robot automated accounts, and usually YouTube takes note of that. So if you see your watch hours stuck, probably YouTube is doing its verification and it hasn't updated them on your earn tab. So the second reason that could be happening and making your watch hours not updating are invalid or non-eligible views. You see, some views come from bot accounts, others come from YouTube's flag some views as spam views, because there are some viewers who usually rewatch and rewatch videos many times, and usually YouTube takes note of that and spam such viewers. You might think that you have gained a lot of watch time from such viewers, but you are wrong. YouTube is smart enough to know who repeat watching a single video. So usually YouTube deletes all the repeated views and all the watch hours accumulated from repeated views. So the fourth reason that could be making your watch hours stuck are the technical glitches or cache issues. Sometimes you might be using an outdated browser, or your browser is just lagging. And if it's lagging and you try to refresh it many times, It may even lag further because you don't give it time to refresh well and update. So that could be another reason for your watch hours not updating. The fourth and the last reason that could be making your watch hours not updating are the post restore or channel changes. Sometimes you might be having some issues with your channel and YouTube will take some time to review and verify all your watch hours before your channel is back on track. Perhaps your channel was flagged for some issues and YouTube is trying to put your channel back. It will have to review all the watch hours and verify them before making them public watch hours. So these are the things that you need to do in order to fix such issues. Whenever you see your watch hours not updating, these are some of the things you need to do within 48 hours. The first thing you need to do, you can wait and give it 48 to 72 hours to see if it's updating, because usually sometimes YouTube may take longer depending on how the dip is below threshold. Sometimes you might find that the dip is so much way below the threshold and YouTube will take time to review such drops and take time to validate and verify them. So always wait for 48 to 72 hours and see if they are going to update on your earn tab. Again, the second thing you can do is to verify your data on your YouTube studio. So this is the most important thing that I wanted to show you. You see, this is your earn tab where we are. This is your earn tab and these are your valid public watch hours that have been earned so far over the last 365 days. So let me show you how to check your total watch hours, those that include even the watch hours that have not been verified. So this is 1570. So let's go to our dashboard there, then tap on watch time here, then tap on it again. You see there these tabs here. You can check over the last 7 days, the last 28 days, the last 90 days. So what we want to check is the last 365 days. Tap on it there. Then you see the discrepancy is too big. So these are the watch hours that haven't been verified yet. So whenever YouTube verifies them, they put them as valid public watch hours. This could be from both public and private videos. And you know, watch hours from private or unlisted videos never count. Or even watch hours from your short form videos never count. Only long form videos that are public. So these are all the watch hours from both public, private, and watch hours that are from views that are not verified. So YouTube takes time to verify them and post them on your earn tab here. So if you see the lag, sometimes if you see the earn tab is not updating or it's way behind the analytics tab here, then you need to always track it with here and know where your watch hours are, like this. You see the difference is almost 100 and something, which is too big. So YouTube will take some time before they verify all the watch hours and add them to my earn tab. So if you want to avoid such trouble, always make sure that you have an organic growth so that YouTube will not take too much time to verify your watch hours. So the other thing you need to do is to clear your cache or use an incognito window, because this could be sometimes because of an outdated browser that is making everything lag. So if you see that, you can as well try to use an incognito window or clear your browsing history. And don't overdo it, because you will make it even lag further, because you will not be giving it time to respond. So you can even do that if you see such an issue. The other thing you can do is to check on the alerts and restrictions. Sometimes your watch hours might not be updating because you have had issues with some YouTube policy, and you might not have even seen it, but you had an alert or a notification. So you need to check on all your notifications and alerts and check whether you have some policy issues that is making YouTube not update your watch hours. And if you find that you don't have any policy issues, but your watch hours continue not to update for even beyond 5 days, then what you need to do is to contact YouTube support center. So what you need to do is to go to their X account and tag them your channel URL plus the screenshots of both the analytics watch hours and your untapped watch hours. So from there, they will tell you what's happening to your YouTube channel. If it's an issue that you can work on, you can work on. If it's a policy issue, they will also tell you the way forward. So always check on that. But the most important thing is to grow organically so that you avoid such issues of long time in verifying all your watch hours. If this video gave you value, don't forget to give it a like, and you can as well share it with others who may also benefit from it. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube automatically gives you an update of that. See you in my coming video.